fabulous, welcome to my channel. For today's video I have this fabulous galaxy inspired gel polish tutorial. So if you want to see how I achieve the beautiful nails, just keep on watching. First we have to prep our nails. I will use a nail decorator to prep my nails for today, and I have a separate video on how to use this amazing tool, which I will put the link on the description box so you don't forget, you guys, to check it out. So I'm just flattening the surface and making it smooth and even, and I'm just removing some of the cuticle. Just a tip for you guys to make the gel polish last longer, just apply dehydrator to remove excess oil from your nails. So for today, I'll be using gelish. Now I'm using BNC nail hardener. This is to protect your nails, so make sure to apply this before applying the base coat. Just leave it for a few minutes to set, and if you want you can put it on a UV light or LED light, then wipe it with a dry tissue. Alright, so I already applied my base coat. Sorry I was not able to film it. I'm using gelish as a base coat, so just put it on a UV light for 2 minutes and 30 seconds for LED light depending on your gel polish. Now I'm applying this black gel polish by Bythen, and we're gonna do 3 layers of this black polish. Just be careful in applying a gel polish. Make sure that it stays within your nails so that it won't easily peel off. Now we're done with 3 layers of black gel polish, and we're on for some magic. I'm using Miss Chris Magic Tony. It is a clear polish with some beautiful green and blue glitters, and it works amazing with black as a base. And look at that, it's so glittery and galaxy, so beautiful. OMG. We are going to skip the ring finger for now because we are going to put something on it later. Onto the ring finger, so apply 1 layer of top coat. This is a mirror powder chrome pigment. Just get a few amount of powder and rub it onto the nails. Just keep on rubbing until you get the magic. So from powder, it will turn into this mirror effect, and it's so amazing. Apply 2 layers of these glitters just to make sure that it will really show. We are almost done, so we're now applying the top coat to seal everything. So make sure that you apply a good amount of top coat. For the top coat, I normally put it onto the UV light for 4 minutes just to make sure that it's totally dry and sealed. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you very soon on my next video. I love you guys. Stay fabulous and have a fabulous day.